Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious lemon brownies. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and ½ a cup of melted unsalted butter. Don't forget 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of bright lemon zest. Having everything ready makes the baking process smooth and enjoyable. This simple list ensures a perfect batch every time. Now let's get to mixing. In a large bowl, whisk together your melted butter and granulated sugar until they are beautifully combined. Next, beat in the 2 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Then, gently stir in the fresh lemon juice and that fragrant lemon zest. Finally, gradually add the flour, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. A light hand is key for tender brownies. With your batter ready, it's time to bake. Pour the mixture evenly into an 8 by 8 inch baking pan that's been lined with parchment paper for easy removal. Pop it into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out with moist crumbs. Once baked, let those delightful brownies cool completely on a wire rack before moving on to the next step. For that irresistible finish, let's make a simple lemon glaze. In a small bowl, whisk together 1 cup of powdered sugar with 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice until smooth. Once your brownies are completely cool, spread this zesty glaze evenly over the top. Slice them into 16 squares and enjoy your homemade lemon brownies. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. It's perfect for reading your favorite recipes or a new novel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.